Push it, push it, push it hard. It's a beautiful rain in a beautiful country on a very beautiful day. Don't do this at home. So today and tomorrow is my last day. Today 120 kilometers. Tomorrow about 30, 40 only. Just to be safe, I left a little distance for the last day, just to ensure that if anything happens, I still can make it. And today I left not too much to ensure that if anything goes wrong, I still meet my deadlines.
Last night brought another disappointment. Despite 2 repair patches, my inflatable mat kept deflating. Turns out there's at least a third leak. With only 2 patches provided by Husky for the From 5 mat, there was nothing else I could do. I went to sleep on a slowly sinking mat, preparing for a cold, damp night. I woke up an hour early today, knowing rain was expected shortly after 8 a.m. I packed fast, had a quick breakfast, and hit the road toward Girardot, where I had an apart hotel booked. The wind was still from the north, though slightly weaker than in Hungary or Austria days before. But the temperature was low.
When adrenaline kicks in, you cycle at a high speed as if a bear is chasing you. So I'm pushing to the maximum right now, killing it all. The roadie on gravel looks funny, but it still rides. It's like Tour de France guys ride on cobblestones, on gravel, get dirty like hell, but they still go at the same speed. And I'm actually riding the same tires most of them ride during Tour de France. They are good tires, have good grip, have saved me once on this trip when on a very, very tight turn down the hill at a high speed, I felt my front wheel is slipping, and I see that it is slipping every second, but somehow just holding the handlebars tightly, I managed to avoid a drop on the ground. That would have been painful. I've been going about 50 kilometers an hour at that time, and the road goes on. Back on a nice road, decent speed. Should be all okay. I can feel the smell of a home. Here we go, the rain starts now. And I still have 100 kilometers to go.
1 degree drop was all it took to compromise my insulation. Within an hour, my raincoat and shoes were soaked through. No cycling gear lasts longer than that under steady rain. I felt the first signs of hypothermia creeping in. My feet were stiff, hands numb, muscles weak.
Like one beautiful president would say, it's a beautiful rain in a beautiful country on a very beautiful day. Remember my words.
Still, I pushed hard, maintaining close to 30 kilometers per hour the whole time. I knew that every extra minute out there would just add to the suffering.
drizzle. 75 kilometers to go. That's about 2.5 hours at current pace. Feet are cold. Fingers are numb. I must admit, it's not so nice in the rain. 3 hours riding in the rain already, and there is no apparent end of it. It's just rain. And nowhere to hide, no petrol station, no shop, nothing. I'm in the open field with wind, rain, and the road. And the birds. Just 1 hour left. In 1 hour I'll finish this day. It's the wettest day throughout the whole trip, and it's getting just worse and worse. Push it hard, real hard. It's just 10 minutes left. Push it. Oh, my fingers are numb. Really numb fingers. But I'm pushing hard.
After 122 kilometers, I arrived at the hotel 1.5 hours earlier than planned. Cold, soaked, and shaking. Only to hear at reception,
there is one problem. My room is not ready. I cycled too fast. I cycled way too fast because I was so cold. I arrived 1.5 hours too early. So I'll have to wait. I'm completely soaked, wet. I'll have to wait for my room to get ready. It's better than being in the rain. I'm cold, I'm still shaking, but I hope within 20-30 minutes I'll get better. And I'll warm up a little bit, so I'll take my laptop, do some work, and in an hour I should be in the room having warm shower, which I need. I still cannot bend my fingers much. I'm so cold. I still don't feel my legs. I'm soaked. I'm exhausted. Going into rain, into wind, and low temperatures is a real test of endurance. Real test. Don't do this at home.
tomorrow's the final ride. Just 50 kilometers to Warsaw, where I'll catch a bus and conclude this journey. My time is up. The road ends here.